Now, the moment you open your MEXC, you're going to see on the top here, Exchange and DEX Plus, right? You're going to see Exchange and you see DEX Plus. Click on DEX Plus and it will take you here. Now, there's this strategy that I use. It's very simple. You can use it on DEX. You can use it on centralized tokens. You can use it on any platform. It works absolutely well. Now, go over to Alpha. You're going to see top movers, favorites, Alpha. Just tap on Alpha to bring it here. Now, click on, let's analyze this token together, launch coin. All right, let's analyze it if it's a good buy. And you can see it passes everything. It's a good buy, right? It's a good buy. Now, I'm going to click on data. So the moment I click on data, it takes me here. And you can see the past 5 minutes, past 1 hour, past 6 hours, past 24 hours, who have been dominating the market. Is it buyers or sellers? Right? Now, the moment we click on security check, right, you're going to see the total audit. Are we at high risk of trading this asset or are we at low risk? All right, we're going to see this. So I think this token is actually good to go. It's good to go. So let's head over to TradingView now and do a brief analysis on it. Okay. To me, I feel this coin is a wonder. Now, there's this strategy that I use. I'm going to actually show you here. If we're in an uptrend, what we should be thinking of doing. If we're in a downtrend, what we should be thinking of doing. And how to basically use the daily time frame to your advantage. Now, very simple, guys. See something now, yeah? Price was moving like this. All of a sudden, price begins to what? Move to the upside. Now, it's the same schematic we have here. Can you see? Break of structure, inducement, and entry. Very simple. So I'll be buying into this coin right now. I have a break of structure here. We have our inducement. And then if we scale to lower time frame, let's see if we have an entry. Let's see 15 minutes or 30 minutes. Do we have an entry? Of course we do. We have an entry here already. We have our entry. So where will my entry be? My entry is going to be somewhere here. My entry is going to be somewhere here. Right there. So when price comes back and gives me my confirmation, something like this. Going to start buying again. I'll buy and TP at the daily time frame resistance zone. As it is now, we're already bullish. You can see how price is maintaining this trend line, right? Price is constantly maintaining this trend line. Constantly maintaining this trend line. So I'm expecting it to still come down again to that level. Give me my entry. And then boom. I go all in. We already have a break of structure. So the moment price comes back there, I'm buying into these assets. I'm buying into launch coin. buying into launch coin. I'm not delaying at all. I'm not going to delay. I'm buying straight into what? Into launch coin. The moment price gets to this region, I'm buying. So if this video is making sense to you, let's see if we can analyze another one. Let's see. This place, they have a lot of tokens. Here. Let's see, Potter. Okay, this is a downtrend. Let's look at the security check. Okay. Let's check 15 minutes time frame. We're bearish on this coin. Okay, if we plot out our, okay, let me look for another one. Corey. Are we bullish or bearish? Absolutely, we're bearish on this asset. Bearish. I'm looking for a bullish one. Okay. Useless, no. Grass, no. Most of them are under Solana. Labubu. I think Labubu or fine. I don't want this video to be more than 7 minutes. Let's check. If we don't get, then I'll have to make another video showing you simple ways in which you can just catch amazing setups. Okay, this looks nice. Let's see what the lower time frame is doing. And where can we sell from? This is a bearish trade because the overall trend is bearish. But where do we sell from? I'm going to skip that. Anyway, basically this is how to trade your DEX on your MEXC platform. More videos are going to be coming up very shortly, so stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. Let's make a lot of money together. All right, let's make a lot of money. So this is already telling us that price is coming down. I like this asset because it looks, let's check the security check. Everything is okay with this asset. So I like this asset a lot. All right, so if I was to trade this, I'll be selling it. Cheers, guys. See you in the next video.